Buddy. Oh yeah. This is a happy dog, huh?
Yeah.
Too tall, buddy? Too tall for you? I'll put it down. I'll put it down. So it's a bit too tall for Ollie, as you can see, and he's barking like crazy because he really wants to get it. So they give you a little bit of an adjustment. They give you a bit of an adjustment rope. So we're just gonna throw that on, and we'll make him happy. Ollie, leave it. Leave it. He got you.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. So this is really Ollie's favorite toy of all time. He had to come and just plop himself right by the AC, and it gets him so tuckered out and tired after a good time.
So Ollie was just so grateful for this toy. He's just giving Zach all of the loves. Since we've gotten the toy, he's just stood right at the door ready to go and play with it every single day. He waits for this moment every day after work even.
So the only downside to this is you can see he bit himself a couple times, and we can obviously only assume it's because of the toy, and he's just getting so active and he can't help himself. But you could tell he's not fazed by it. He just is Ollie in his own little world.
Yeah.